Mga taga saan po kaya kayo? Maybe you can type yung mga locations ninyo, where you guys located, because our team will be going to Davao soon. Baka may mga taga Davao dyan gustong mamit ang Anicon team, that would be nice. You can also attend our study expo there this coming August 30. August 30 pa na? August 30 sa Appleview Hotel. So if you're from Davao and you want to bring your friends, want to meet the team in person, you can visit them August 30. Laguna. Galing din ako Laguna po. Walang traffic ang Sabado. Good to go. Pampanga, let me just reply to our fans here. May mga pa-shoutout po ba dyan? Pero mga taga-Luzon naman. Alright. Sige, good to go. We're recording right now via StreamYard. You may not see it, but we will be uploading this on YouTube. Whatever the discussion is. So if ever gusto nyo pakita sa mga parents niyo, sa loved ones, you can just click our link. We'll share it on our Anicon Europe Facebook page para ma-access ninyo anytime, okay? And let me quickly share my screen. June Antiporda, familiar to. Saan kita na-meet? Naging court ka siguro sa aking Europe program sa France. Feeling ko. That's good. Okay. Ano malisin to? Hide. There you go. Okay. Let me turn off my video for now para lang po mas mabilis ang connection natin. Again, good morning everyone. My name is Angela and I'm the Managing Director for Anicon Group of Companies. You can always check out about our company through our website at aniconinc.com. I will not dwell too much on who we are. Some of you already knows us. We have worked with a few people here in the past. I understand some may be worrying about the legalities, etc. We're an open book. Again, you can always check us out online. You can always check us out as well at SEC. We are a registered corporation. I think si Sofia, when we met, kasi batch 1 siya ng Bulgaria natin. That was 3 years ago, I believe. Time flies. Nag-start siya doon sa lumang office pa namin. Sole prop pa lang kami noon. Andito kami sa same building naman, but we just opened a bigger office. So makabisita ka ulit, Sofia, bisita ka lang. So ngayon, we are a bigger corporation. We are handling more and more programs. Everybody knows that since we started 2012, we have really pioneered. Not only as an agency, kasi we don't really see ourselves as an agency, but we see ourselves as destination developers, creating programs as counselors, not as recruiters, to make sure you have options towards building a better future for studying abroad. And hence, we have finally was able to repackage and introduce to you the more commonly known Ausbildung program, but we are introducing this as a paid apprenticeship, a continuing education program in Germany. This is like, again, as mentioned kanina, the part 2 of a more improved paid internship program in Bulgaria. The Bulgaria program still exists, but we are pushing more this time towards the apprenticeship program. Right, so quick intro. Kanina nabanggit ko po, for Anicon, we are now a corporation. We're not just an agency. We are professionals of the education tourism sector, right? Maybe not many people are using the term education tourism, but we are. Education tourism includes study abroad, internships, apprenticeships, study tours. So anything that involves studying abroad or education abroad, yun ang specialization namin. We don't focus on recruitment. We are focused on consultation, creating value, right? I had to emphasize on that one, and developing international education programs for Filipinos. We create it. Kumbaga, hindi kami binabayaran ng mga school para lang i-promote sila. We promote programs we see are beneficial to the Filipinos in the long run. Kaya po hindi agad kami yumayaman. Because this is for you. This is not just for us. We cannot sleep na kinukuha namin yung pera ninyo nang wala kayong patutunguhan. So I can assure you, yung program na ibibigay namin is may continuity. However, it's subjective to some factors. Like for example, kung wala kaming control once you get there, but we lay down the options and opportunities for you. With Anicon, of course, we created a paid internship in Bulgaria program. We pioneered in non-traditional study abroad destinations such as Spain. We started Spain 3 years ago, bago pa siya nauso ngayon. We're doing Malta, we're doing Lithuania, we are pioneering South Korea right now. We recently franchised a school in France, which we will be branching out in the Philippines very, very soon. Magtatayo rin kami ng mga hybrid education center. So we are doing very, very good. We're not just an agency again, we are a big corporation specializing in this industry. So we specialize in multi-destination. So you guys can screenshot this if you want. If you want to check us out, this is our website, aniconinc.com. The email addresses of myself and our manager, Sir Lonel. Kung di nyo ako mahagilap, na this Sir Lonel para sa inyo. He's managing the Anicon Study Abroad brand, and he will be managing everyone who will be participating in this program very soon. Our registered name at SEC is Anicon Tourism Consultancy Services Incorporated. Okay? Right, so let's begin now with the specific content. Okay? So an introduction first. May mga nagtanong agad, when we started the launch on TikTok and just a few postings, people were asking, sir, ano ba yung apprenticeship versus internship? Kasi sa Pilipino, hindi po common ng apprenticeship. Internship madalas. Internship is synonymous to OJT. In its simplest explanation, ang apprenticeship siguro in a corporate sense, alam ng mga tao yan as parang management trainee. Okay? By definition ni Google, okay, ang apprenticeship is more of long-term paid positions focused on developing specific job skills, which often leads to formal employment. Ang internship is often shorter, can be paid or unpaid, and offer a broader overview of an industry or role. Again, ang internship kasi ideally yan pang undergraduate po yan. Apprenticeship can also be called as traineeship. Usually, gamit yan sa term ng mga US J1 visa. Right? But in this case, we are calling it apprenticeship because the program that we're offering is closer to that kasi hindi naman kayo enrolled or undergraduate in the Philippines. So again, apprenticeship, internship, you can call it the same, but we can definitely mention ng apprenticeship is more long-term and can transition you to a paid position after you graduate. So, yun, hopefully that's clear enough on what's the differences. Hindi po ito internship program. This is an apprenticeship program. Okay. Ngayon, may ilan din ako na-realize na at least natutuwa ako, medyo familiar na ang ilang tao pagdating sa Osbildung. Okay? Ang Osbildung, in pinakasimpleng paliwanag, is vocational school. But did you know that there are two main types of Ausbildung? Kasi meron kami school sa Germany na partner, si MDH. Meron silang Ausbildung program, meaning it's a vocational course. Pero yung course nila, hindi siya yung ino-offer natin dito. Ang ino-offer ng MDH is tinatawag nating school-based, meaning nag-aaral ka talaga, meron kang training at the second semester siguro, pero most of the time nag-aaral ka. Pero itong ino-offer natin sa ating program right now is a dual-based Ausbildung, wherein there is a balance of studying while doing practical training. Usually, ang schedule ng Ausbildung, it will vary on the school, but the standard is 3 times kang nag-aaral sa school and twice kang nagwo-work or nagiging apprentice. Okay? So talagang balanse siya ng aral and work at the same time. There you go. Hopefully that's clear. Pag may tanong po later on, you can just type them in and we will try to answer them one by one after this discussion. Kasi sa dulong part po, meron tayong konting FAQs. Okay. Ito, nako-conscious na ako pag sinasabi ko to, but this is my always go-to language. So in a nutshell, okay, literal, the paid apprenticeship program is a vocational study in Germany that includes practical paid training. Sa mga nag-inquire na ng Canada, pwede mong sabihin ito ay co-op. Pero ang co-op mo nagsisimula sa day 1 pa lang na nag-aaral ka. Okay, ang aral mo day 1, nagtatrabaho ka na rin, so you're earning immediately. This program, very good thing, is under student visa. Walang loophole ito. This is continuous. Matagal na itong program ng German government. This is under student visa. We just repackaged and introduced it in a more easy to digest way para mag-gets ninyo on how this program works. Additionally, this the dual Ausbildung program is the most affordable and value for money study abroad program that we have created. Before, akala namin pinakamura na namin si Italy, si Korea, kasi yun talaga yung mga low cost even si Lithuania. Pati yung Bulgaria namin na internship. Although we don't really treat that as a student visa kasi iba yung visa doon. It's still education. But this one, we can assure you, is the most affordable and most value for money study abroad program right now. The risk is very, very low, but there are high rewards. Totoo kaya yung mga ganung bagay? Definitely. But may catch, syempre. I'll explain that later. Kasi there's nothing that's too good to be true. It's up to you to find where is the compromise. This is how we work with Anicon. To those of you who knows us, you guys know how transparent we are. Na sometimes nagbabackfire sa amin yung pagiging transparent namin. But we will continue to be honest with everyone. Okay? And additionally, itong program ng Ausbildung is established na yung system. The program is, again, is under student visa. Okay, so in summary, this is how it will work. Okay, medyo ano tayo, straightforward as always. So first step, eligibility check. The ideal age is 18 to 33 years old at least. Okay, 18 to 33 years old. And at least 12 years of education ang natapos. So kung yung curriculum, K-12, kung old curriculum, kahit second year college, walang problema po. Okay, kung old curriculum man. Basta we need to make sure na pag nag-submit kayo ng documents, pag kinompute namin yung transcript ninyo, makikita talaga na gumraduate ka ng second year, meaning going third year ka na. Okay? Next step, you need to study 1 year German language online in the Philippines and reach B2 level. Ano yung B2 level? Sa pag-aaral po ng, nagmimix ang utak ko sa iba't ibang language. Sa pag-aaral ng German language, meron yang 6 levels. Starts with A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. C2 is the highest. Ngayon, B2 level, meaning this is the fourth highest level na kailangan mong ma-reach within 1 year. Is it possible? Definitely. You need to study this online lang. Ito po yung sinasabi kong catch kanina. Sobrang mura ng program. Mamaya matutuwa pa kayo gaano siya kaganda, gaano siya kamura at kasulit. Pero ang catch lang po talaga, ito lang yung nakikita kung baka maging problema nyo. But for us, as professionals in this industry, this is amazing. This is not even a problem. Perspective nyo na lang po ito. The only catch again is need to study 1 year German language online and reach B2 level. Pero yung balik niyan sa inyo, sobrang triple or 4 times worth it the time you invest. The financials nga hindi pa kasi sobrang gaan ng financials. But the time you invest only 1 year, sobrang dali po. Okay? So it's up to you. Kasi we understand for Filipinos, hindi uso yung waiting too long. We want to earn fast. All right? But that's not how the world works. So you need to study for 1 year, reach B2 level, and you get everything almost for free. Okay? Served in a silver platter almost na po. Third step, once ma-reach ang B2 level, you will choose a course and we will endorse you to an Ausbildung employer. This will all come from Anicon, okay? They will be the one to provide the school as well. Kanina, yung mga link dyan, I played a quick video on the summary of an Ausbildung. It mentioned na talaga magsa-start ka sa employer. The company will provide you whatever courses you need. Kasi ang Ausbildung na to, since vocational siya, ang best analogy we can connect to the Philippines is para siyang TESDA. So kumbaga aralin mo specific housekeeping. Housekeeping lang talaga yan. Wala na mga algebra, trigonometry yan. Housekeeping, literal. Yun lang yan. Then 3 years ka mag-aaral noon. Okay? 3 years yung Ausbildung mo. You're studying and working at the same time. Okay? So the employer will give the school. The employer will be depende rin kung saan sa Germany naka-assign. Okay? So meron kang option to choose. Pero mauuna ang bibigyan ka ng o-offeran ka, kumbaga, na-reach mo yung B2, may vacancy sa gantong province, would you like to take it? Kung tatanungin mo kami, just take it. Okay? Kasi hindi masabi kung kailan magkakaroon ng opening. Although ang opening is continuous. Kasi there are around 300 plus Ausbildung courses in Germany. So may nagtatanong po sa amin, anong courses ang available? All we can say is we will focus on health, hospitality, and trades. Doon tayo magfo-focus po para lang may direction. Okay? Then fourth step, kapag okay na yung employer mo, pati yung school kung saan ka-assign, kasi the employer and the school works hand in hand yan. Connected yan. We will be issuing you an offer for the student visa. Then ipaprocess na po ang inyong student visa application. And then from there, the rest is history. You are on your way to a brighter future, which is our tagline, guys. Anicon builds a brighter future. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. Again, if you have questions on this slide, please type them down in the message box. I'll answer them in a while. So eto, medyo maliliit, pero I have to squeeze them in para makita nyo, ilan lang po ito sa mga possible courses. This can change every now and then. Depende yan sa need. Same siya ng Australia, Canada, the skilled list can always change, but usually, generally, you can forecast it. So that's why we'll be focusing on trades, health, and hospitality. Kung makikita ninyo, in a way, kung nazoom sa screen ninyo, yung mga specific courses at talagang sobrang specific, like bartender, may truck driver nga rito nakalagay, pool operation specialist. Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa ng pool operations po. Siguro titikman mo kung gaano karaming chlorine ng pool mo. Ganyan. Pero very unique, right? Skilled worker. So, yung talaga magiging tutok mo, and once you graduate, you get a skill certificate coming from them. Yun ay magiging direction talaga ng career po ninyo. We also have nursing, as you can see, caregiving, marami sa atin sa Pilipinas niyan, tax clerk, ayan, iba-iba. So again, this is para siyang TESDA, expanded, longer, and mas tutok po. Okay, important point sa dapat maintindihan. Ang babayaran lang po ng student sa program na to is the language course. Hence, ganun siya kamura. Although hindi ko pa natadaanan yung cost, nabanggit ko na sa iba yung cost. I'll go there later. So this program is very, very affordable because you only pay for the language course. Baka may tanong kayo, pwede ba mag-self-study na lang ako? Sasagutin ko po yan mamaya. Second point, the Ausbildung itself is free in most cases. Bakit ko nasabing free in most cases? In most cases, ibig sabihin, posibleng may babayaran kayong minimal, which is maybe 100 or 300 euros, depende sa need ng school at employer. Pero wala kayong tuition technically na babayaran. Those 100 or 300 euros most probably will just be processing fees. Okay? Then no show money is required. Hindi po kailangan. Bakit po? Kasi binabayaran kayo ng allowance ng company. So in that case, pag may allowance kayo sa company, sorry, distract ako. Yan. Ay, sorry. So yan, no show money is required naman po. Kailangan na, matang bisita. Ma'am. Okay. So no show money is required. Bakit hindi ka na show money? Kasi po yung sa documents ng student visa, ang lumalabas is, what do you call this? Pinapasahod kayo ng kumpanya. So sila yung magpapakita ng guarantee na you're earning. No need for naman yung show money. But in some cases, in our expertise, we would advise ang student magkaroon pa rin ng savings sa bank. That will still help validate or speed up your application. Mind you guys, pag nag-apply kayo ng visa, this is not always a guarantee. Hindi ko may sponsor na kayo na company. Kasi any student visa or any visa application is never always a guarantee. Kasi meron siyang human intervention. It's always 50-50 as what we say it. Okay, but statistically, with Anicon's performance, we have high approval rating naman po in all the programs that we have. Okay, like for example, in Korea, we're still 100%, Bulgaria 100%, with Canada, we are 90%. So we can bank with that. Na pag tinanong nyo kami, anong guarantee ma-approve ang visa? It's still on the high side, but we will still say 50-50 kasi wala kaming control sa embassy. Honest po kami. Okay, again, we're very transparent. But we will work it out for you. Fourth point, the accommodation is free, okay? And the airfare is deductible from your stipend. So medyo maingat ako, I don't use the word salary. I will use stipend from here kasi nga apprenticeship siya, para siyang OJT. Accommodation is also provided by the employer, right? Magkano ang possible salary? It depends, but it can range from 800 euros up to 1,200 euros per month. Okay, it's a stipend. Ngayon, tatanungin niyo ako, sir, enough ba yan to cover monthly cost? Definitely, but I'll explain later. Pagdating sa 6th bullet. 5th bullet muna tayo. This program has pathways. Kung dati naging challenge sa Bulgaria namin yung clarity of pathway kasi wala kaming control in that part, ito, kontrolado natin, we can assure you under student visa, the pathway is meron kang work and residency after studying Ausbildung for 3 years. So after 3 years, you get job seeking visa, you get work visa, then you can apply for permanent residency. Ito po, 6 bullet. Ito po yung sinasabi ko, double income opportunity. Alam ko, pumapalakpak po ang mga tenga nyo rito. Patandaan nyo po study pa rin po ang focus natin. Right, why do I say that? Again, you are under student visa. And part of the program is the apprenticeship, meaning part ng studying apprenticeship. Labas pa po yung privilege nyo as a student visa, yung 20-hour work week. So while you're doing the apprenticeship having a stipend, you can also work outside for 20 hours per week as long as it does not affect your class and apprenticeship schedule. So you can earn double. Plus wala kang binabayarang tuition. Clear? So hopefully that makes you happy. Okay? Pagtatanungin nyo kung sino maghahanap ng work, pagdating sa part-time job, kayo na po iyon. We can teach you. I'm not certain the school will teach you kasi nga may apprenticeship kayo, but we can definitely teach you as part of our services. But we will not give you the job because that's not legally part of our program. We're not a manpower company. We are specializing on student visas. Okay? Now, how much does this cost? As you can see on your screen, this is the current package cost that we have. Very, very low. This is the lowest study abroad program that we have. The initial payment is 35,000. Currently, when we started promoting this just a few days ago, we have 7 sign-ups already, and we are limiting a few for a promotion later on. I'll show that, okay? So initial payment is 35,000. Pay after signing agreement. Make sure to ask for your receipt. We will provide them. We are legit. If you want to visit our office, by the way, which we would love to, kasi gusto namin makita namin kayo dahil long-term partnership ito with you guys. You can visit us in Ortigas if you're nearby. Schedule lang po kay Sir Lonel because we work on hybrid. We are here every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday between 8 a.m. until 3 p.m. na lang po. Para yung last 2 hours, maglilinis muna kami ng office. Okay? Then tuition fee, you pay this to us as well. Then we process everything to the language partner that we have. This is the tuition fee for the A1 and A2 level. Bundle na po iyan. Okay? A1 and A2 level, usually it's valid for 6 months. Then, babayaran yan 1 week before the classes start. Processing and support fee, 29,000 after bago mag-start, 1 month bago matapos yung program. Okay, sorry, I had to move this pala, no, but I hope you get it. Then, tuition fee for the B1 and B2 level is 53K. Mas mataas po kasi, mas intensive na yung aral. Sino yung mga magtuturo sa inyong teacher? Some of the teachers are German language professionals coming from UP Diliman, and for the B1 and B2 level are German locals. So mga German. So kung gusto niyo pong maabot ang level ng mga AFAM, kailangan pong maabot niyo yung B1 and B2. Malay niyo sila na po ang future ninyo. Hopefully that's clear. Okay? So this is the costing. You can screenshot this, but again, we'll be posting this on YouTube as well. The fees must only be paid at Anicon Inc. bank account under CTBC. Kung sakali pong may magsabi sa inyo na sub-agent namin, i-verify po muna yan kay Sir Lonel. Because as of now, we don't have a sub-agent on this program. This program that we have repackaged is only under Anicon right now. Okay? Except of course for Ryogaku na baka mamaya, I'm not certain kasi Ryogaku is part of our company, pero baka hindi ko naman sila i-activate for the support of this program. This may be exclusive only with Anicon Study Abroad Group. Okay? The fees above are non-refundable once it starts. Backing out halfway may result to penalties. Okay? So tapusin po ang 1 year reach B2, hindi po pwedeng basta mag-back out. Kasi po, why? Ine-expect po kapag sinign up namin kayo, nakabilang na kayo sa possible na babagsakan ng mga employers. So they're expecting you in that case. So wag niyo po sanang guluhin yung process natin. Let us know if you need something para pwede namin i-cover kung sakaling magbaback out po kayo. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. Right. What are the cost inclusions? Okay. Sa 150, ito na po lahat ang makukuha. It's a 1-year study German language online. However, would like to inform you that you can attend your classes in Anicon office at least once a week, or it's up to you. Basta nasa office kami, inform lang sa Sir Lonel kasi baka may bisita. But if you want to do your classes here, for example, you have friends na sa classes ninyo, gusto nyo sabay-sabay kayo, you can do it here. We have a big projector kasi our plan eventually is to open an education center. You can do that here for free naman po. Basta schedule lang po kung kailan. Okay? Kasi we have our office schedules and we have visitors as well. Okay? And second thing, part of the cost would be a representation on the school, legal, or any negotiation needs. We do that a lot. Willing kami makipagdebate. Nakikipag-away po kami hanggang consul, hanggang immigration kung kinakailangan. We protect our students as long as we know that we are on the right track. Okay? Bago kami alam sa PIA, tumatawa. Nakipag-away po kami hanggang immigration. Sinakripisyo ko na rin po yung pangalan ko sa immigration. Buti nakakalabas pa ako ng bansa. Okay? So pati po mga foreigner, inaaway po natin kung kailangan. Basta nasa tamang lugar tayo. And you need to prove to us guys na wag rin kayo mareklamo. Na itong pinresent namin sa inyo, susundin nyo lang po. Okay? So, but we will support you. I can guarantee you that you are our client, you are our family, we will protect you, and that's why you paid us. All right? Next point. Program management is part of the inclusion. After graduating, we will monitor you and endorse you again to the Ausbildung companies to make sure you transition properly. Fourth bullet, the connection with the Ausbildung is included. Fifth, the full documentation and transition assistance. We're very, very good with this. And lastly, endorse with the Future Network. There are always times na may lumalapit sa aming mga companies looking to partner, like for example, with South Korea and working closely with the Korean Chamber of Commerce in the Philippines. We have a manpower partner in South Korea. Kung saan yung mag-graduates natin, pwede namin endorse for work. So we can do that the same with Germany. Lagi may lumalapit, and if you are our client, pwede namin kayo ipakilala in the nearest future. May sasabihin sana ako, pero hindi ko sasabihin dito. Meron kami partner sa Europe din, manpower, kung sakali. Anyways, okay. How to start? Hopefully walang tanong. Pag may tanong again, type them on the message box. So, madali lang naman po mag-start sa ating process ng paid apprenticeship. Number 1, qualification check. What's the qualification? Nabanggit ko po kanina. Ideal age is 18 to 33 years old and at least 12 years of education. Kapag good to go, tapos financially capable naman po, kakausapin kayo ni Sir Lonel and ng team, then you sign an agreement. Pwedeng mag-sign ng agreement sa office namin or pwedeng online. It's up to you. We can process applications anywhere in the Philippines. Actually, kahit abroad, as long as you're okay doing digital. We provide receipt pa rin naman po. We can send you a picture or scan of the receipt. Then after that, pag good to go, gagawa tayo ng chat group. Doon na po ako sumasama sa chat group to oversee everyone. Then we do a timeline planning and agreement. Okay, I guess that's one of the values we provide with Anicon. We create a timeline planning and agreement, and we do our best to respond within 24/7 or be very proactive pag meron kayong mga inquiries. Yun lang, don't mind us pag sabihin namin, sir, nasagot na po yung tanong, please refer to this link. It means we're trying to teach you as well how to be responsible on your own. Kasi mahirap na, I know you paid, pero hindi namin kayo pwedeng bibihin. Bakit? Kasi hindi kami pwedeng laging nandyan para sa inyo. So we will teach you. Okay? We will teach you, we'll guide you, and we'll be there for you until you graduate for the program. Okay? We work together as partners. Right. Number 5, ang isasubmit lang po na documents is napakadali. Resume. Wala pong tinatawag na German template resume. Basta resume, kompleto ang information, malinaw yung mga details, may dates, para ma-determine namin kung 12 years talaga yung education, good to go. Passport, latest passport of course. Last education documents kung mayroon, hindi kailangan apostilled. We just need to see your transcript and diploma if mayroon po. Then 12 years, dapat napakita 12 years minimum. Ito ko si Ma'am Bridget na late pumasok. Kausap ko siya kagabi sa TikTok. Right. And yan, kapag nasabit na yung documents, we start with the implementation, we enroll you with the classes. Kailan na-start ng classes? The classes will start this September 1st. Ito yung target natin for the first batch of 80 students. We're looking at 80. Okay? Yan. Advance ako magsabi. Going back, timeline, classes start on September 1 for the A1 level. However, kung meron po rito na meron ng level ng German, I need to know what level you are. I-enroll namin kayo advanced level. Kung A2 na, kung B1 na, or B2. Kailangan pa rin po. Okay? The certification or the validation of your level happens at least every 2 to 3 months para malaman saang level na kayo. Pwede ka na ba mag-A2 or naiwan ka sa A1, mag-i-extend ka. Of course, kapag mag-i-extend po kayo ng level, ibang fees po iyon. Yung fees na babayaran nyo sa amin is the assumption na continuous yung leveling upgrade ninyo from A1, A2, B1, and B2. Hopefully that's clear. And number 3, there's always a final test to confirm certification around ideal date is July 2026. Take note guys, itong mga timing na sinasabi ko, it can change without immediate notice except for the start of classes. Ang target is September 1. Okay? If you pass and reach a B2 level, guys, sa pagsa-certify po, hindi po ito yung kakilala mo, sinertify ka, good to go. This is government certified. Parang sa Spain, it's Instituto. Sa Japan, JLPT. I forgot who certifies for German language. Hindi siya daan. Goethe Institute yata. I'll double check. I forgot. But yun, government certified po siya. And if you reach the level, we start with enrollment and visa documentation and endorsement with the Ausbildung company. Okay? Hopefully that's clear. There you go. And this is our promo and discount. Okay? We always have a promo for everyone. So, as mentioned kanina, ang target po natin for this batch 1, which will start September classes, is 80 students, 80. Okay? Kaya naman po siya. Ma-accommodate din siya lahat. We are looking for the first 30 students na magsa-sign up. Right now, we have 7 students who signed up. And the first 30, we have remaining 30 minus 7, 23. Okay, 30 students to sign up will get their processing fee waived. So that's a saving of around 29,000 pesos. First 30 students to sign up will get their processing fee waived and you can save 29,000 pesos. And ang start ng classes again is September 1. Okay, we will be strict with the timeline. Kailangan po makapag-start kayo ng September 1 kasi po ang next Ausbildung o start ng deployment sa Germany is also around last week of August to first week of September. Kapag na-late kayo ng start ng classes, baka hindi kayo umabot next year, mag-aantay kayo for next year. So 2 years kayong bakante. So we start this September 2025 for September 2026 or you wait until 2027. So as Filipinos, please, we need to have an urgency. Okay, if you really want this program, okay? Bawal ang Filipino time in this case. Right? Some common questions. Pinractice kong i-rehearse ang pronunciation nito pero hindi ko mahina ako sa German. Ang accent ko kaya ng French, Spanish, Korean, Japanese, hindi German, guys. But etong word na to is the frequently asked questions. Okay? Now, let me answer some of that kasi some of possible questions you have in your head, baka mamaya na-type na siya, I'll answer them for you guys. After this, pag di nasagot, I'm opening the floor to answer anything. So first question, how long is the program? Mentioned kanina, it's 1 year in the Philippines and 3 years in Germany. Okay? Again, pag nag-aral ka ng 1 year sa Philippines, since online siya, kung gusto mo mag-aral sa Anicon office para ma-meet mo yung ibang students, pwede naman po. We can always build a community. We would love that. Makita namin kayo, maramdaman, para malaman namin yung feedbacks din sa inyo. We would appreciate that. Okay? Schedule lang natin. Number 2, what if I have a German language level already? Meron niya, may ilan-ilan. Actually, marami akong kilala na nag-inquire. Nag-aaral na sila ng Ausbildung, nagpaplano mag-Ausbildung, so nag-German language na. Ang problema, hindi nila alam saan mag-a-apply ng actual dual Ausbildung pagka-graduate, pagkakuha ng level. So doon kami papasok. Kung may level ka na, depende sa level. Pwede kang mag-enroll sa next level needed through our program. Unless B2 level ka na, which is the final level na required namin. Pwede ka naman mag-C1, C2, ikakausapin namin yung partner nating language school or pwede ka namin endorse directly, we will see. Pero yung latter part na sinabi kong i-endorse ka directly, hindi siya ideal kasi yung partners natin na Ausbildung companies, connected siya sa language training na meron tayo. The quality we provide is what those companies want. Hindi namin sinasabing pangit yung iba. I don't know. Pero that's why they took our program kasi the quality of language is what they want. Kumbaga yun yung medyo certified of some sort. Okay? Next question. Can I self-study and Anicon will support me for the Ausbildung program? No. Ito na po yung sinabi ko ngayon lang. The program is specifically created to ensure a proper bridging pathway from language towards Ausbildung. We need to monitor your progress properly. Okay? So dapat mag-enroll po talaga if you want to be able to bridge towards the Ausbildung program. Okay? Ito po, kanina nabanggit, if I have a B2 level, again, it's case to case, so message me lang po and we'll see what we can do, how to support you. Okay, kung may B2 level na. Next question, do you have a cheaper program? For study abroad, I can assure you this is the cheapest or the most affordable. On average, guys, a regular study abroad program can range from 290K and above, and it usually requires show money. So this is the most affordable. Okay, kahit i-google po natin yan, okay? And what is the guarantee of the program? Gustong-gusto ng Pilipino po ang laging may guarantee. So, this program has existed for many years. Again, Google is your friend. Comprehension is your skill, okay? But I can assure you, the program has existed for many years. We are just repackaging and reframing it for, again, to be easy digest to everyone, okay? The success of the program is still subjective on the student performance. Same goes at what we do with Anicon. We lay you down the opportunities. We give you the program. It's up to you to be successful after the program. Okay, but we will be monitoring you until you graduate. Kaya you need to keep in touch with us. Kaya tayo may mga chat group, kumustahin ka namin o send ka picture sa amin, alam namin nangyayari. Sir, kumakain ako ng isda sa German o ganyan. Kumakain po ako, uminom po ako ng beer sa Oktoberfest. It's up to you, okay? We need to know how you're doing. We would appreciate that. It gives us validation on how good we are doing with our jobs, okay? So program is guaranteed. You can always Google it. Everything is there. It's a dual Ausbildung. Kaya po, in-educate ko muna kayo what Ausbildungs are. Okay, what's the class schedule? At least 20 hours per week. There will be 3 schedules, by the way, guys, per day that a student can join. So, hindi po to gaya nung Bulgaria na once a week na parang sideline. Ito po, mag-aaral po talaga kayo. Pero I can assure you, kaya nyo itong isabay kung kayo po ay nagtatrabaho ngayon or may ibang ginagawa. It's maybe 4 hours per day. Okay? I'm sure kaya nyo i-manage yan. Super kaya yan. Then, meron siyang 3 schedule per day na pare-pareho ang klase. So, mamili ka lang, attend ka ba ng morning, afternoon, or evening session. Wala kayong lusot. Okay? Pare-pareho ang klase per day. Kailangan maka-attend kayo at least once a day. Hindi pwede may skip kayo. Kasi may classroom policies pa rin po tayo. Pag nag-start ang klase ninyo, our teachers from the language school will tell you hanggang how many absences, how many lates, may policies tayo na gano'n. Kasi guys, this is your future. You're paying for this. Ayaw namin na you take it for granted na naging busy na naman kayo na pabayaan yung main goal ninyo. We will push you this time. Okay? I know everyone's busy, but it's all about finding time. Okay? And if you really want this, you will make time. Okay. Next question. What if I don't reach the target language level on time? If you don't reach B2 on time, you will have to re-enroll and extend until you reach the level required. We will find ways to push the students to meet the requirement. However, students must make the most effort. Huwag pong panghinaan ng loob. Everyone has their own learning phase. Basta tell us, we will talk to the schools, the teachers on how we can support you to reach that certain level. But statistically po, pagdating sa German language, it is possible to reach B2 in 1 year. Kaya po siya. Walang problema yan. We've done language programs a long time ago na rin po. We even have Nihongo before 2012. In 1 year, kaya yung N3 level. In 2 years, N2 level. Kabisado na namin yung possible timing on average. So in German language, in 1 year, possible po ang B2 level. There you go. Thank you very much. So that's the end of my presentation. I'm going to be answering questions or reading the questions later on. This is just, you can screenshot this. This is our contact information. So pag gusto nyong magpa-assess, magpa-inquire, you can message either me or Sir Lonel. Pero mas maganda ko si Sir Lonel na lang. Pero pagka kontakin nyo rin ako. Okay? Documentation, nandiyan si Ma'am Joanne, si Ma'am Ann, that, mali nga spelling ko, Sir Lonel, no? Kapag sinasabi mo. Kanza ito, Kanza, at aniconinc.com. I'll edit this later. So, yan po. Okay? Alright, let me close my screen for now, and let me go to the question and answer. We are 29 people. Thank you for joining. Good morning. Earn with Luisa. Nakita ko si Earn with Luisa. Ano kayong sideline niya? Okay. Balikan natin lahat from the top page. Inom lang kape, guys. So pag may tanong, i-type na po lahat-lahat. Okay. San Francisco, California si Rachel. Kaya pala tawa ka ng tawa, hyper ka. Dapat tulog ka na. J1 visa, uuwi next week. Congratulations, Rachel, na nakarating ka pa ng Amerika kahit kay Trump. J1 visa, uuwi. Is that your first J1 or second J1 na? Mukha naman nakabawi ka na ng pera, no? Kaya di naman ibang country, may continuity na. Okay. Umalis na Sophia. Alam na niyo yung style dito. Okay. So, Rachel. First question, hello po. What if not within a year in German language po? Since, andiyan pala si Sophia, bumalik. Sorry. Kasi kami sa amin yung Sophia style namin eh. Baka nag-iisip na yan. What if not within the year yung German language? Since I will take A2 na po, sa Pinas din po ako nag-online class. Is it possible po na mas madali, mas shorter yung duration application? Hindi, 1 year talaga siya. Kasi ang deployment ng Ausbildung or intake ng classes is usually every fall. There are schools na August, there are schools na September, but we're assuming September lang po ang classes. Okay? Ano yung tanong mo exactly? Possible na mas madali o mas shorten? Hindi eh. Susundin talaga natin. So kung mag-A2 ka na, ang gawin mo, Rachel, pwede ka mag-sign up. Ang babayaran mo lang na tuition siguro, kasi kung enrolled ka na sa iba, B1, B2 na. Parang kausap na kita. Tama, kausap na kita. Anyway, yan, B1, B2 na i-enroll mo, pero i-secure mo na sa amin para umabot ko doon sa discount pa rin. Kailan magsa-start ang classes mo after na ng A2 mo. Okay? That's possible naman po. Kung baga naka-advance ka, nakapila ka na. Right? Hopefully that answers it. Yun nga, kung done ka na sa A1, A2, B1, B2 na yung habulin mo. Pero yun, lilipad ka pa rin ng most probably September unless may makuha kaming opening. Kasi parang kagabi may nakita ko may nag-post ng opening, pero I think that's for this year, of course, kasi again, every fall siya. We will see. Ang suggestion ko lang, Rachel, kasi things can change. I-enroll ko kasi, ang enrollment lang is September. So, assume natin September. Lawrence, what if nag-start na po mag-aral German language sa ibang language school? We cannot support you continuously. You have to transfer to our program, Lawrence. So, tapusin mo na yung level mo dyan, or kung kakastart mo pa lang naman at mura lang naman, ka na pumasok. It's up to you. Pero you need to continue with our program para ma-enroll ka namin sa Ausbildung partners namin. Kasi yun yung deal namin eh. Hindi ka namin mare-refer pag hindi sa Ausbildung partners. It's just that they prefer the curriculum and the study that we have. Okay? I won't say that maybe your language school is bad. I guess it's just the connection. I'm sure they're teaching you well. Magagaling naman yung language ko sa Pilipinas. Okay, schedule ng German language online. I think I was able to answer this a while ago, but to those na medyo late, the schedule is 20 hours per week. So 4 hours per day ideally, then merong 3 batches per day. I cannot confirm the specific times kasi kaya nga we're targeting 80. Kung 80 kayo, di grupo kayo, maybe we can dictate more on what the schedule will be. So yung school po ang magde-decide, but yung binanggit ko kanina, that's the ideal scenario, okay? Jay, paano po pag 34 na po yung age, wala na po bang way? It's still possible, Jay, we will talk lang po sa aming Ausbildung on what the chances, kasi kung 34 ka na ngayon, gagraduate ka 35. I think it's still possible. That's why yung disclaimer ko kanina, ideally. So 34 hanggang 35 max manenegotiate pa natin, pero above that, mahihirapan na po tayo guys. I'll not accept that anymore. Okay? So Jay, if you're interested, just send the details kay Sir Lonel, papa-approve ko na lang yan since medyo nasa above age preferred ka na. Pero kaya pa naman, I give you an 80% good to go. Phoebe, makaka-travel po ba around Europe while on student visa? Yes. The advantage also of being in Germany, it's part of the Schengen zone, which is including of 28 countries. Pwede ka mag-ikot po under student visa. Ang student visa po is mas mabigat versus tourist visa. Mas mabigat din siya versus seasonal work visa. Siguro kasing bigat siya ng business visa. So very powerful ang student visa po. Multiple entry din niya, pwede kayo umuwi anytime as long as ipaalam lang sa school na uuwi ka, hindi maapektuhan yung schedules mo. Basta the priority if you're under student visa guys is you study. That's it. Wala ka ibang gagawin. Don't get side jobs maybe in Spain or whatever. Focus sa kung nasaan kayo, finish it para mas magandang opportunity. Huwag masisilaw. Okay? Cassie, the cost of A1 to B2 ma'am. A1 to B2 is 150K. How about the exam? How much ang cost? Wala pong binanggit sa amin na may babayarang exam cost sa certification. Ang alam ko, as far as I discuss with them, yung certification or validation lang ng A1, A2, and B1 is libre. Libre yata yon. Then pagdating sa B2, yun yung dapat certification na siya ng valid government agency, Sigot Institute, if I'm not mistaken. So may babayaran. I don't have the fees, babayaran yung separate na po yun. But usually ang mga test, ang alam ko JLPT, mga 10,000-15,000 eh. Depende sa level din. So that, don't quote me on that yet. We will check on that. Okay? Thank you for that information, Keslie. Ayun, GOT exam, Rachel. Hindi pa kasama yung GOT exam. Pero yung GOT exam, when I talk to the school once, yung once lang makipapatake daw. Pero option niyo yun. Kung gusto niyo mag-take, kunyari, ito na ako, mag-take akong GOT exam para certified talaga. It's up to you, pero it's not part of what we're offering. What we're offering is the language exams lang po. Language training. Mary L. Sorry po, magte-take po ba ng official exam? Yes, bago matapos ang program, dapat official exam. Okay? Si Jay. Pwede pa, Jay. Lalaban kita, 34. Actually, nakikita ko nga may mga nag-a-apply sa yung mga old applicants nila, mas matanda eh. Angel, pwede ba 50 years old for apprenticeship? Sadly, Ma'am Angel, hindi po. As much as I want you to join us, I cannot promise. Ang masasuggest ko, Ma'am Angel, ganito. Kapag over-age na kayo, sabihin natin gawin natin 36 above. Pwede kayo mag-take ng other programs namin for student visa. Pero may show money. Pero may solusyon si Anicon dyan. We have partnered with Active Finance. Nagpo-provide sila ng show money assistance. Kausapin nyo lang sila. They can help you with the show money. Pwede kayo mag-take po ng Spanish language program. Specialization lang. Specialization siya ni Sir Lonel. Maganda siya for those na ayaw talaga mag-aral pero gustong tumuntong ng Europe. Mag-Spanish language kayo for 9 months is only 2,000 euros for a language visa. Student visa under language program. Then you can still work for Spain 30 hours per week. Pero yun nga, may show money siya sa tuition. Pero again, may solusyon na tayo sa show money. So lahat po ng posibleng problema nyo guys, may solusyon na tayo. It's up to you na lang kung goods. First J1 ni Rachel. Okay. Huwag ka nang tumuloy ng second J1 ha. Mag-iipon ka lang ng pera dyan. Diretso muna ng Germany. Okay? Lawrence. What if B1 na mag-enroll? Yes, pwede po. But I suggest mag-start na po kayo ng confirmation kasi nga we're looking at first 30 to get the discount. Pero kahit mag-start ka later on ng classes, Lawrence, walang problema naman po. Rachel, yes, okay. Good. So I'm expecting Rachel siguro and maybe Lawrence will sign up. If you're good to go, siguro, ano ba to? Bigay ko WhatsApp mo na lang, Sir Lonel. Email na lang. Okay. Yung mga magko-confirm na po, I'll type Sir Lonel's email. Baka yoga ako. I'll type Sir Lonel's email, pakisend na lang yung inyong mga details, sabihin interesado, kausapin kayo ni Sir Ronel para makapag-start na po kayo. Yes, Kelly. Okay. Yan. Then, Sophia. Pwede si PJ. Sophia, amag na si PJ. Joke lang. Ilan ba si PJ? 40 plus na siya no? Gusto ko sana mag-Spanish language na lang siya. Kaso, ayun, meron kami po-provide na pwede show money assistance. Si ano. Sayang, pwede nga sana si PJ, no? Sayang. Sige, Jay, ang kausapin mo na si Sir Lonel. Okay ka, Sir Lonel, kausapin mo? Sige. Sir, ano yung number mo sa WhatsApp? Sorry. 939. Tatype ko po yung mobile ni Sir Lonel para pwede yung tawagan after this. Share po sa akin? At sinend mo na? Ayan, sinend na ni Sir Lonel. Yung manager Anicon siya yan. Pwede siyang tawagan dyan after this or via WhatsApp. Ako personally, I like WhatsApp kasi natatrack yung usapan. Marami po kami kausap guys, so bear with us. Minsan natatabunan eh. Okay. Uy, 33 lang si PJ. Sige. Kasama ako, no? Sige, Sophia, yung mga pwedeng isama sa batch, no problem naman. At least sobrang mura nito. And as usual, di ko kayo pababayaan kahit ating na lang yun. Alam mo na yung sikreto natin, Sophia. May trauma pa rin ang feelings ko. Ay, okay. I miss you guys. Uy, kausap ako. Ayan, check natin ha. 51-year-old nurse si Ma'am Angel. Wait. Say natin. Okay, so Rachel and Jay, good to go. Para habol natin discount niya. Si Ma'am Angel, 51-year-old nurse. Phoebe, no need na black account. No need. Ang black account po, very good that you're very educated, Phoebe. Black account is in Germany student visa, guys. If you are studying on a regular student visa, ito yung mga magma-masters ka o yung school-based Ausbildung. In this case, hindi po. Kasi nga, kaya hindi siya kailangan show money, sagot kayo na employer in Germany. Company-sponsored siya. You can Google it always, the dual Ausbildung system, company-sponsored, no need siya na show money. It's not ideal na magkaroon, but it is encouraged na meron pa rin kayo as backup, just in case. Kasi guys, policies can change. I can tell you that. But kaya sinasabi namin kami sa Anicon, it's better to over-prepare. Although hindi siya required, mabuti lang mayroon kayo. Okay? Yes po, Ma'am Julie, full package na may 150 hanggang ma-deploy. Okay? I know it sounds too good to be true, pero ulitin ko po, this is only the language part. Pagdating sa enrollment sa school and visa, sagot na po yan ng employer and school. We will help you in monitoring that. Okay? You just need to meet the minimum language requirement. Pati yun. Possible na makapasok yun na sa IT. Yeah, meron tayong mga vacancy rin po sa IT. It will fall under trades, ma'am. Yun lang, hindi ko masabi ano specific course. Pero kasi sobrang again, we have 300 Ausbildung courses. Guys, usually malalaman yung industry ninyo pagkatapos yung gumraduate. Bawa, matatapos ka na, B2 level ka na. Kakausapin na kayo ng Ausbildung employer. Doon na malalaman sa kayo pwedeng enroll na course. Titingnan yung background niyo, yung resume ninyo, o IT, baka may vacancy sa IT, kunyari sa Frankfurt, doon kayo. Sa Berlin, doon kayo babato. Okay? Angel, 55. Sorry, Ma'am Angel. Yun nga, kung 51-year-old nurse sa Spain, pwede. Wala naman siyang age limit. But if you intend to practice your profession, malakas ang demand ko ng nurse sa Korea. Pero, wala naman sinabing age limit. Masyado lang maraming tanong. Pwede mo po itry ang Korea, ma'am. You have an associate degree in caregiving. Around 120,000 per sem lang naman po. Okay? You can try that. Okay. Done with B2 na si Shania. Shania, yan, i-message mo ako. I'll check how I can go with it. Kasi again, ang ideal setup nito, yung partner Ausbildung natin, gusto nila, certification should come. Certification and training should be endorsed by us. So kung done ka na sa B2, pwede kitang ipa-certify na lang siguro, ma'am, sa ating partner. Tingnan natin, o baka mag-enroll ka pa ng C1, we will see. Pero ang suggestion ko, Shania, kung may makikita ka rin ng sayo, diretso ka na. Yun lang, solo mo na yun. Kung gusto mo na support namin, Kausapin mo kami. Kausapin mo ako specifically. I'll check what I can do. Okay? How much po ang fee if B1, B2 level na lang? I think the fee I mentioned if B1, B2 level is 53K. 53K na lang siya, yung tuition, Lawrence. B1, B2 yung package na po yan. Dalawang level na yan. Okay? Alright. Sure, Jay. Yeah, binigay ko na Jay yung number ni Sir Lonel. Nag-type siya. Paki-contact na lang siya after nito. Ha? Siya na yung kakausapin mo. Julie, yung class ba pwede anytime umattend depende sa availability ng student? Hindi po. Magbibigay. Kailangan per day umattend kayo ng klase. In a day, meron tayong klase in the morning, afternoon, and evening. Pili ka lang na po pwede ka doon, pero dapat umattend ka ng klase at least once a day. This is, kumbaga parang sabihin natin working student po talaga kayo rito. Hindi po ito yung sideline lang na pwedeng super flexible. Mag-aaral po talaga kayo rito, ma'am. Okay. Ano meron sa Spain kapag overage? Pag student visa po, pwede kayo doon. Walang age limit kasi yun eh. Pwede kayo mag-aaral ng language or master's degree. Ang catch lang po, since regular student na visa na siya, Ma'am Angel, magbabayad ka ng show money sa tuition fee talaga. Depende sa school. Meron ako sa Spain, ma'am, ng Masters in Health. Pasok sa'yo yon. I think mas okay sa'yo yon, Masters in Health Management. Pero ang tuition is nasa around 6,900 euros. May show money requirement siya. So kung interested ka rin, tita, basta i-note nyo na lang po, 6,900 euros. Kung isasama yung fee, sabihin natin ang ilalabas mo on a regular student visa, mga 450K to 500K. Kung afford yung budget na yon, usap tayo at tutulungan kita. So guys, narinig nyo, no? Magkano yung cost ng regular student visa? Ang laki ng difference. So that's why this 150, halos libre na lahat, hindi na kayo mahihirapan. Ang catch lang po talaga, again, you need to learn the language. Okay? From Julia, good day po. Pwede na po mag-sign up sa first 30 applicants even though, yeah, we would encourage you kahit B1, B2 ang aralin ninyo, mag-sign up na po para ma-less pa rin po. So, Ma'am Julia, please contact as well Sir Lonel. The number is posted in the chat group. After this, he can send you the agreement immediately and the bank details para makapag-process na po kayo. Okay? So, Ma'am Julia, si Rachel, ayan. Sir Lonel, narinig naman ako to take notes sa Sir Lonel. Kailan maglalapag ng Australia? Yung 407. Sophia, kausapin mo si Lonel, bigay mo yung resume yun ni PJ, pero ang tanong ko lang naman kung okay kayo sa budget. Kasi yung Australia 407 visa natin, it's quite pricey, pero training visa talaga yon. Pero baka pumalo ka ng kalahating milyon. Pero yun, nagtatrabaho ka lang sa Australia 2 years. Okay, hindi siya work visa, training visa rin siya. So it's up to you. Hindi ko lang siya nilalatagan kasi hindi ako nagpe-present noon because personally I find it a bit high. Gusto ko yung medyo mas valuable. So this is a bit better for me. Giorgio, in fact, lumayas ka naman Giorgio eh. In 150K after that, sagot na nila lahat. No, this is Germany, Giorgio. Baka na-late lang sa Germany. Yes, sagot na nila lahat except for food. Okay, Julia, para sa iyo, pa-flash ko ulit ang fees natin, okay? How do I go about it? Wala. Yan guys, sige, I'll flash the screen. Yan, kita na po. Yan ang ating screen. Okay, lipat ako sa cellphone. Yan, so yan yung fees natin, Julia, okay? Email sent kay Sir Lonel, all good. Right. Okay, you're welcome, Ma'am Angel. From Krisha, how long po ang PR? Ang Germany, ang PR niyan usually 4th year or 5th year of stay. Point system rin naman siya. Any PR in any country, point system po. Standard yan. In Germany nga, yun yung magiging pathway ninyo. Language ka muna sa Pilipinas, mag-aaral ka ng Ausbildung or student visa in Germany, go job seeking visa, work visa, and then pwede ka mag-apply ng PR depende sa points. which is very good kasi kung PR ang habol ninyo, one of the PR requirements for non-English speaking countries like Germany, Spain, France, they have a segment there where they check your language level. So kung may level ka ng German kaagad, pag nag-PR ka, mas mataas ang points mo. Mas malaki ang chance na ma-PR ka. Okay? Sir, I mean, attend ako ng class sa morning because sa gabi, pwede po. Yeah, pwede yan, Ma'am Julie. Basta may attend ka ng classes once a day, inform lang po yung magiging teacher natin. Magkakaroon kayo ng sariling communication line with them naman po. Mary. Si Mary ba yung unang student? Okay. Mary, by the way, nakapag-pay na ako ng security. So, di na ako babayad ng 35. I think 35K, ma'am, yung binayaran mo. Yung 29K, ang hindi mo nababayaran. Wala ka ng processing fee, ma'am. Ikaw nga yata yung nagbayad last time. 35K, you're good. Yung 29, hindi mo nababayaran. Ibang program. Saan galing si Mary, Sir Ronel? Iniisip ka ni Sir Ronel, Ma'am Mary, saan program ka? Spain. Marites. Marites, ikaw ba yan? Iniisip ka namin sino ka? Shirley. Ma'am Mary, kausapin mo si Sir Ronel na lang po. Tingnan natin. Kasi baka mamaya na-process ka na eh. Yun yung problema. Okay? Pag na-process ka na, may hirapan tayo. Hindi ba sa mamumove yan? Pag-usapan natin how we can go about it. Hindi naman sarado ang pinto pero tignan po natin. Okay? Anything else? Any questions? 11 o'clock, I can take maybe a few more. Then pag wala na po, usapin si Sir Ronel, then we'll do some promotions. Sir Ronel, nag-send na matutulog na raw siya. Umidlip ka muna, Rachel. No? Anong oras na dyan? Nasang parte ng Amerika ka ba? Alas 11 ng gabi. East Coast? West Coast? Central? East Coast ka naman. Okay, sana di ka madampot ng ice. Sige. Oh, good. All right. If there's no question, I appreciate you guys, everyone, for joining us. We'll post again this recording at our YouTube account. Then we'll do the promotion starting weekend. Again, for those who will be signing up today, please message Sir Donel at WhatsApp or send an email. We'll start working on you. We are only needing 30 students to get the wave processing fee. But for batch 1, we need 80 students. Kung meron din po kayo mare-refer, guys, na mga kakilala ninyo, we can also provide incentive or commission. Okay, may mga student kami, biglang nabayaran na pala yung buong pag-aaral na due to the commission lang. So, talk to Sir Donel, we can help you with that. All right, so thank you very much, everyone. And hope to see you soon. Happy weekend. And I look forward to, again, providing you better service and better future to everyone. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.